Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Dreams on PlayStation 5. First, ensure your PlayStation 5 system software is completely up to date. Then, simply insert your PlayStation 4 Dreams disc into the console or download the digital version from the PlayStation Store. It's a straightforward process to get started with this incredible creative platform. You will be exploring user-generated content in no time. Playing Dreams on PlayStation 5 brings several fantastic enhancements. You will immediately notice significantly faster loading times, thanks to the console's powerful solid-state drive. This means less waiting and more playing or creating. Additionally, many creations benefit from improved resolution and smoother frame rates, offering a more polished and immersive experience. It truly elevates the entire Dreams journey. The PlayStation 5's DualSense controller adds a new dimension to Dreams. While not all creations fully utilize its advanced features, many benefit from the haptic feedback and adaptive triggers, enhancing immersion. For those who prefer, the PlayStation 4's DualShock 4 controller is also fully compatible. This flexibility ensures you can play comfortably, no matter your preference. Once you are set up, the real magic of Dreams begins. Dive into an expansive universe filled with millions of user-created games, stunning art, and captivating music. Whether you want to play, explore, or create, Dreams offers endless possibilities. Use the intuitive tools to bring your own ideas to life and share them with a vibrant, global community.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.